Hi, I've got my Hello box today. Oh, I mean HelloFresh box. It's so big and it's so heavy. I can't even lift it. Oh, okay. But let's unzip and see what's inside. Come over here. Not me filming holding a knife on the other hand. Alright, cut it out. Ooh. Box ASMR. So when I open it, the top one is the recipe. I think, yeah. Have citruses, Tex-Mex pork fillet, beef, pita pockets, chicken tacos, of course tacos. Ooh, I also got this. I also ordered salted pretzel bites with cheddar sauce and a crispy spinach ricotta ravioli. Of course, we can't miss it. Look at how they pack. This is, oh, never mind. This is tempura pack. I thought this is, oh, they do water pack on here too. So the water packs on this side, all over. And then each meal is in a box like this. So you don't mess up things. Okay, low cal, so you just take my sport tenderloin, something like this. So every of the meal, I think every meals come with a recipe. And this. See? How many meals did I order? I ordered 6. And I do have 2 boxes coming in. So this is one box and then the other box on the other side. This is a beef pita, so we have another one. And then this is my, ooh, this is, I bought it on discount. It was like $2.99 or something for the whole pretzel bite with cheddar sauce. Good for snacks at school when we're on a break. And we have lime cilantro. Chicken tacos. Sounds good. And there's more. Oh wait, actually, come over here, chat. There's more things inside here. This is another water. So heavy though. See how heavy it is? Oh, I can't even hold it. And then underneath of this, they put meats. So meat is under the water pack. Is it ice pack? No, it's not water pack. It's ice pack. I have. Oh, I also ordered this beef empanadas. Ooh, my favorite. I love it. I love empanadas. It's like a big part of my life. Besides gyoza or like dumpling. And then I have pork fillet. And this is my dark meat chicken. I'm gonna cook it on stream on Sunday, which means tomorrow night. Don't forget to get on it. Okay, is there anything else I need to? That's it. Look how heavy it is with this ice pack. So I did this little unbox video for you guys. If you guys haven't ordered yet, do it now. Use my code. I forgot what it is. There's a link in my Discord. Do it. Actually, it's right here.